Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. We are learning by following example. Usually we try to find a very good example, but sometimes we can learn observing how not to do things. And in today's video, you will get plenty of bad examples. So once you see this kind of problem, you can spot it right away and correct it. I will have a lot of fun showing you 3 ways how not to use vibrato. Let's tune, have fun, and learn something new in this video. Did anything seem to be wrong here? Why does it sound so irregular? Yes, my thumb was guilty of not staying in the position. I call it crazy thumb mistake. It's when you forget about proper thumb position and lift it up so it can participate with other fingers. What's going on here? My cello is shaking. I'm making so much effort and very little comes out of that. I'm sure you noticed that I used my elbow a lot, and that made my body to shake, and cello was shaking, and I played as if I'm on a ship during the storm. And I simply call it chicken wing vibrato. It was so exhausting, but I can see this mistake happening many and many times. When we make too much effort, we press a lot, our left hand tenses up, and that doesn't allow us to use proper vibrato. This vibrato feels like electric shock to me. It's not pleasant to make it, and it's never pleasant to listen to it. Did I miss something? Did you have to fight with some of those bad habits? Let me know in the comments. It's very interesting for me to hear from you. Now it's time for me to work on good vibrato. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on Cellopedia soon.